Student, after understanding about the working capital turnover ratio in the last class, meaning, their formula, their interpretation, their significance, their precautions, and questions based on the working capital turnover ratio. Now we are going to understand about the new topic, which is types of profitability ratio. So in this portion, what is the types of profitability ratio? The main object of every business isn't earn to profit, because profit earning is essential for the survival of every business. The efficiency of business firm is measured by the profitability ratio. Profitability and amount of profit. Every businessman try to ensure that capital employed in the business used profitably. If the business is not yielding adequate rate of return, efforts shall be made to increase the profitability. A comparison is also needed to see whether profitability and efficiency of business has increased or decreased in the current year over the previous year. This is the business has increased or decreased in the current year over the previous year. The comparison can be made with the other business firm in the same industry or same industry average. The ratio which is measure the profitability of the business are called profitability ratio. These ratio measure the profit earning capacity of business as profitability. Profitability has direct link with revenue from operations. That is why we calculate these ratio on the basis of revenue from operations. Return on investment is calculated on the basis of capital employed. Generally, profitability ratio are calculated in the percentage. Following are the some example of profitability ratio. Profitability ratio means gross profit ratio, operating ratio, current operating profit ratio, net profit ratio, return on investment. So now this is the gross profit ratio. The formula of gross profit ratio is gross profit upon revenue from operation into 100. The answer will comes in percentage. Gross profit can get from revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation, and cost of revenue from operation can be calculated by this formula or this formula. So the numerical question will teach to you in the next class.